Hello guys, today I'm going to be talking about giant Danios. First, let's start out with tank mates. Tank mates could be mollies, rams, angelfish, shrimp, and tetras. There is other species like zebra Danios and other Danios you could keep with them. Also, minnows are a great tank mate too. You could also keep goldfish and catfish with them. Next, let's talk about tank setup. Tank setup could be a 30-gallon with a school of 5 or 6 with plants, any other decorations you want in there. But they need you could keep them with a heater. They are good for a pond fish because they could handle really cold temperatures. I keep them with the heater, but my tank is a 40 breeder and that isn't really heating the tank a lot. The tank is usually cold, so they can handle really cold temperatures. I used to have them with no heater until I found that heater in my garage. So next, let's talk about breeding. Breeding could be easy. So you just need some kind of container, like any box, well, not like cardboard box, but any other box, like styrofoam, plastic, glass. You could keep a strainer on top and some kind of plant so they can lay their eggs in, some kind of plant material or something like that where they will want to lay their eggs. Then, because they are egg scatterers, they will lay eggs anywhere and everywhere. So, and they do eat their eggs. All Danios do eat their eggs, or most of them. I don't really know a lot about other types since I've only kept these types of this type of Danio. This is the only type I've actually bred. So the strainer's on top. They lay their eggs. The eggs go through the holes in the strainer, and then they usually lay in the morning, and they usually lay in the springtime and the rainy season, since they do come in India where there isn't like 4 seasons. There's only the dry season and the rainy season. In India, they do lay their eggs in the rainy season, so it's good to keep colder water with them. So if you have a heated tank, then you should probably keep them in colder water. It probably will take you a lot of time to catch them since they are pretty fast. It usually takes me like 6 minutes to catch them, which is a long time for only one fish. They are jumpers. When I've tried to catch them for breeding, I put them in the strainer, but they jumped out. But one of them jumped out the strainer and landed into the plastic bin I had them in for the eggs. But they still didn't lay their eggs at that time. But it was really long. It took a really long time to catch them. And they will lay their eggs in the morning. So in a day or two, you probably will find eggs. And they like water temperature from 72 to 75 degrees. They need minimum 30 gallon, and they don't really need a really good filter. You could keep them with a sponge filter that's like meant for a 20 gallon, even though you have them in a 30 gallon with some plants, and they'll be perfectly fine. And that's it. I'll see you in the next video.